Chapter 10. Measurement of capacity. Warm-up activity. Capacity. Neeta fills a bucket with water using a glass. To fill the bucket in this way, she poured 7 glasses of water. Then she fills the same bucket using a jug. This time she poured only 2 jugs of water to fill the bucket. Do you know why? The different sized containers hold different quantity of liquid. That is why different number of glasses and jugs were needed to fill the bucket. The quantity of a liquid that a container can hold is called its capacity. It is also called volume. Different units are used to measure different capacities. Remember, the capacity of a container tells us how much of liquid it can hold. Units of measuring capacity. Liter. It is the standard unit of capacity or volume. The symbol for liter is L. We measure the quantities of liquids such as milk, petrol, oil and water in liters. Milliliter. It is the smaller unit of capacity or volume. The symbol for milliliter is ml. Cold drinks, liquid medicines, shampoos, perfumes, etc. are measured in milliliters. Relation between units of capacity. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Vessels used to measure capacity. Liquids like milk and water are measured with the help of standard-sized vessels shown below. We measure liquids like cooking oil, petrol, diesel, etc. with the help of standard-sized vessels shown below. Making equal volumes or capacity. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. It is equal to 500 milliliters plus 500 milliliters. It is equal to 200 milliliters plus 200 milliliters plus 200 milliliters plus 200 milliliters plus 200 milliliters. It is equal to 100 milliliters plus 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 100 milliliters. Conversion of units of capacity. Let us learn how to convert liters into milliliters and milliliters into liters. Conversion of liters into milliliters. To convert liters into milliliters, we multiply the number of liters by 1000. We know that 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. Thus, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, 2 liters is equal to 2 multiply 1000 milliliters. It is equal to 2000 milliliters. 3 liters is equal to 3 multiply 1000 milliliters. It is equal to 3000 milliliters and so on. Example 1. Convert the following into milliliter. A. 5 liters. B. 19 liters. Solution. A. 5 liters is equal to 5 multiply 1000 milliliters. It is equal to 5000 milliliters. B. 19 liters is equal to 19 multiply 1000 milliliters. It is equal to 19,000 milliliters. Remember, 250 milliliters is equal to 1 by 4 liters. 500 milliliters is equal to 1 by 2 liter. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Conversion of liters and milliliters into milliliters. To convert liters and milliliters into milliliters, we multiply the number of liters by 1000 and add it to the number of milliliters. Example 2. Convert 5 liters 248 milliliters into milliliters. Solution. We have 5 liters 248 milliliters is equal to 5 liters plus 248 milliliters. It is equal to 5 multiply 1000 milliliters plus 248 milliliters. It is equal to 5000 milliliters plus 248 milliliters. It is equal to 5248 milliliters. Conversion of milliliters into liters. To convert milliliters into liters, we divide the value of milliliters by 1000. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, or 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter, or 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So, 2 milliliters is equal to 2 by 1000 liter. 3 milliliters is equal to 3 by 1000 liter, and so on. Example 3. Convert milliliter into liter. A. 5000 milliliters. B. 17,000 milliliters. Solution. A. 5000 milliliters is equal to 5000 by 1000 liters. It is equal to 5 liters. B. 17,000 milliliters is equal to 17,000 by 1000 liters. It is equal to 17 liters. Addition of capacities. To add 2 or more capacities given in liter and milliliter, we arrange them in columns and add as per rules of addition. Example 4. Add 72 liters 500 milliliters and 17 liters 250 milliliters. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given capacities in 2 columns of liter and milliliter. Step 2. Add milliliters. 500 milliliters plus 250 milliliters is equal to 750 milliliters. Write 750 under milliliter column. Step 3. Add liters. 72 liters plus 17 liters is equal to 89 liters. Write 89 under liter column. Answer. 89 liters 750 milliliters. Example 5. Add 54 liters 506 milliliters and 178 liters 930 milliliters. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given capacities in 2 columns of liter and milliliter. Step 2. Add milliliters. 506 milliliters plus 930 milliliters is equal to 1436 milliliters. 1436 milliliters is equal to 1 liter plus 436 milliliters. Write 436 under milliliter column and carry over 1 liter to liter column. Step 3. Add liters. 54 liters plus 178 liters plus 1 liter carried over is equal to 233 liters. Write 233 in liter column. Answer. 233 liters 436 milliliters. Remember, write milliliter as a 3-digit number while adding or subtracting liter and milliliter. For example, write 34 milliliters as 034 milliliters. Subtraction of capacities. To subtract two given capacities, we arrange them into columns of liter and milliliter and subtract as per rules of subtraction. Example 6. Subtract 15 liters, 458 milliliters from 20 liters, 785 milliliters. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given capacities in two columns of liter and milliliter. Step 2. Subtract milliliters. 785 milliliters minus 458 milliliters is equal to 327 milliliters. Write 327 in milliliter column. Step 3. Subtract liters. 20 liters minus 15 liters is equal to 5 liters. Write 5 in liter column. Answer: 5 liters, 327 milliliters. Example 7. Subtract 98 liters, 613 milliliters from 132 liters, 583 milliliters. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given capacities into columns of liter and milliliter. Step 2. Subtract milliliters. Here, 613 is greater than 583. We cannot subtract 613 milliliters. We cannot subtract 613 milliliters from 583 milliliters. So, we borrow 1 liter from liter column, leaving behind 131 liters. Now, 1 liter plus 583 milliliters is equal to 1000 milliliters plus 583 milliliters. It is equal to 1583 milliliters. 1583 milliliters minus 613 milliliters is equal to 970 milliliters. Write 970 under milliliter column. Step 3. Subtract liters. 131 liters minus 98 liters is equal to 33 liters. Write 33 in liter column. Answer: 33 liters, 970 milliliters. Word problems. Example 1. A milk tanker holds 310 liters, 525 milliliters of milk from a dairy. 102 liters, 495 milliliters milk is added to the tanker. Find the total amount of milk in the tanker. Solution. Amount of milk in the tanker is equal to 310 liters, 525 milliliters. Amount of milk added to the tanker is equal to 102 liters, 495 milliliters. Total amount of milk in the tanker is equal to 310 liters, 525 milliliters plus 102 liters, 495 milliliters. It is equal to 413 liters, 20 milliliters. Thus, the total amount of milk in the tanker is 413 liters, 20 milliliters. Example 2. An oil drum had 224 liters, 350 milliliters of oil. Find out how much oil was left in the drum after 39 liters, 450 milliliters was taken out of it. Solution. Quantity of oil in the drum is equal to 224 liters, 350 milliliters. Quantity of oil taken out is equal to 39 liters, 450 milliliters. Quantity of oil left in the drum is equal to 224 liters 350 milliliters minus 39 liters 450 milliliters. It is equal to 184 liters 900 milliliters. So, 184 liters 900 milliliters oil was left in the drum.